Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane with the Heart, and I'm back with a project share. So I had purchased the I Want It All Valentine's Day bundle from the Not Too Shabby shop, and so for the next couple of days I'll be sharing some projects using that bundle. So the first one I want to show you is some tags as well as some different fold type cards. So this is the stamp, and it is adorable, and this can be used anytime. It doesn't have to be Valentine's Day. I think it'll be really cute for like birthday. And I also make sure that I got the dies. So I'm going to start with the tags. So these tags, this tag was somewhat inspired by the tag that Jamie did on her channel. And so I used the paper. I used I want to say it's a My Favorite Things die. And it comes with paper pad, and I used most of the paper pad actually. And so I ran the die through with the pattern paper, and then I ran it through with white. So then the white is clear so I could write on it. And then I colored in my cupcake with Copics. I used a little bit of this candy cane stickles and tied it off with some ribbon, some seam binding. I think it's really cute. So this could be tied onto a package or even a birthday like bag. I think is really cute. And so this one I did not put anything, like I didn't make it into a tag because I thought maybe I could glue it to like a plain bag. But this is really a fun die. This is by Cat Scrappiness. I wonder if I have the die with me here. Oh, here's the first die, and then the tag. So I'm pretty sure this is My Favorite Things. And then this die is from Cat Scrappiness, and it is the one that I'm using for this. And I ran it through once, and then I think I ran it through just this part so I can get a different color for the Valentine. And then I traced this and cut it out so that I could have a white backing for my tag. So it's really sturdy, and I think it's really cute. It's a smile. And so this would be really cute, I think, just glued onto the front of a card or glued to the front of a bag. And then I made a couple cards that Jamie had made on her channel, Not Too Shabby Shop. She made these belly band sort of gatefold cards. And so I made 3 of them. Well, I made 2 of them, and then I did something different with the third card. But so you just take the belly band off, and then you open it up, and you've got this really cute card. So I love how that one came out. And then this one, so these are from that stamp set that I cut out. This is from the ephemera pack that came with the I Want It All, and I used every piece of it. So I used all of it. I used almost all the paper. I just have scraps left, which I put in a little baggie to try and use later. So I used all of it. And so you open it up, and I love the paper. It's really cute. And so there's that. And then for the third card, I did something a little bit different because I had some paper left, and I just wanted to kind of size my card so that I could use the paper scrap that I had. So it's kind of similar to this gatefold card. I just kind of played with the cuts and kind of did a little bit different, more almost like a Z-fold card, so that I could use the paper scraps that I had. I will try and remember to link to the Not Too Shabby shop where she made this card, but super easy and really fun. And this card only used 1 piece of paper. This one uses 2 to make this one, but this only used 1 piece of cardstock, I mean. So instead of a belly band, because I have it more like a Z-fold style, I went ahead and I used some seam binding ribbon to be able to go ahead and tie my card closed because it kind of pops open. And so this was actually the very last piece of ephemera that I had, and also like I had this already stamped and cut out, so it was just perfect. And so you open it up and it just says smile inside, and then you have enough here to write your name. And then it just ties on the side, and you've got this super cute card, kind of very similar to a Z fold. And so, yeah, so it's very cute and fun. So there we go. And so these are the projects that I made. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy Crane with Heart.